Hey y'all, this is Lil Jizzle coming back at y'all with a few Rubik's Cube tricks. Okay, now y'all, we gonna start with the checkerboard pattern first. So this is how y'all do it. You do the right side twice, then the left side twice, then the top side twice, then the bottom side twice, the front side twice, then the back side twice. There you go. And that's how you do the checkerboard pattern. Pretty simple. And then to solve it, you just have to do the same thing. Just do that. You can be in any order while you're doing it. You just have to do one side, then the other side. You don't be like that. You have to be like this. Then the side that's the opposite from it. Okay, now next what we're gonna be doing is the center switch pattern. So this is all y'all gotta do. Y'all can pick either side, but I prefer white up. It's just more easier to me. Y'all put the middle over here, and y'all place this down. Then y'all turn this over here. Then y'all put this up. Now, I really never learned about how to get it back to solving it if I just switch it all up like that. So all I did was just reverse my steps. Just put this part down. Put this part over here. Wait. Wrong thing. Put this right here. Put this up. And then put it like that. And then that's how you solve it. Okay, now last and it's probably easy also, not the easiest, but also easy, is the you pattern. So here's what you do. You do top twice. Then you do the middle. You put the middle down twice. Then you do this again. Then you bend, do that again. And then as soon as you get this H, all you gotta do is just turn this and then turn this. So now you got these sides as a cross, and now on the stripe sides you can be on either side. You just gotta do the same thing. And there you had the top and the bottom stays the same, but now you got your crosses on each side. And then to bring it back, you can pick either side to do it. But to solve it, just do the same thing again. And then for this too. Bam. And there you go. This part. All of it is solved back. Now I'm gonna show y'all this simple trick that only use 2 moves. Okay, now. So on any other tutorial, you'll see that they'll say that they'll mix it up and they'll only use 2 moves about turning it like this and this doing like this. Okay, now do not mix it up, because I tried that and it did not work. Keep it like this and then just do like this. It's just these simple 2 moves will bring it all the way back. It's gonna solve it with these 2 moves, but yo, Rubik's Cube have to already be solved. It kind of does take a while though. Trying to go as fast as I can. Boom. Now it's back the way it's supposed to be. But if you mix it up and try to do it, it won't work. This is Lil Jizzle. And I need at least 200 likes, if you like, for me to show y'all how to solve it in my next video.